Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. After 4 years, I visited India. I purchased few of the kitchenware from India. In this video, I want to share those kitchen items that I purchased. We get a variety of kitchenware that we may not get in America. We can choose our favorite different variety of kitchenware. So let's see what are they and how they are useful. This is a Vinod stainless steel 24 inches extra deep kadai. This is tri-ply. It comes with the steel lid and it is extra deep, so it is very convenient to use for every regular curries. And I have been using this kadai and I am very happy with this purchase. It comes with a triple layered construction and it has a superior food grade with 18 by 8 stainless steel. This is so convenient to make any curries. I made this tindora curry. It took around 1 hour, but the food didn't get burnt at the bottom, and also very convenient to make any fried rice or anything. So I'm very happy with this product. This is an extra tawa I purchased from Futura brand of 30 centimeters for dosa. It has a very good reviews. This is a small vegetable chopper. It has a very good reviews. So I purchased this one from India. I like this chopper because of its compact size and usage, and we can make the tomato juice instantly by using this one. So it is very convenient to make the tomato juice and I am using it. I purchased these steel plates. They are very good size and shape. These are the breakfast plates I purchased from there, which has a dividers. This is a thick bottom teapot. We use this teapot every day, so I purchased one. This is a deep vessel to make the curd in the instant pot. I got this one. While making the yogurt, you can keep this vessel in the instant pot, so it is easy to take it out and keep it in the fridge. Are the extra tea strainers along with some spoons. This is a new type of coffee filter where you can add the coffee powder along with water with small push plate to make the coffee decoction. And the coffee we can pour it from this. This is a steel oil can dispenser. I want to try the steel one for the oil. And this is a Signora Ware brand and it has a very good reviews. It is very convenient to pour the oil from this can. It is very convenient to use it. These are the miscellaneous vessels of different sizes. We can use them on different purposes for boiling milk or keeping the food and reheating them. As they don't have the handles, it occupies less space and they are also dishwasher safe. So I purchased these things along with some small spoons. This is a wider bowl for making the chapati dough and I purchased a separate lid for it. This is another bowl with a lid. It is only for the pressure cooker. We can keep this one in the rice cooker or pressure cooker or instant pot. So it is deep and you can cook something in this one. One small pot for pouring the ghee. This is a hard box from the Milton company and it comes with a steel lid. You can close it like this and it is a useful item in the kitchen to keep the items warm. This is a ape pan or paniyaram pan. This is in cast iron and the brand is from Indus Valley. It has a very good reviews and we can make 12 appams at a time. I hope this video can be helpful for someone who want to purchase some kitchen items when you visit India. Thank you for watching. If you like any of these ideas, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. I will see you in another video. Bye.